You know what? My battery's about to die, so we're gonna do this real quick. I got some fresh new merch, so let's take off this basic Ralph Lauren tee. Let's get this one on. Hey, this looks clean, man. I love that back. Yeah, so my battery died and I had to go charge it up. But anyway, look how dope this t-shirt looks. I'm gonna have some close-ups, but woo, creased up kicks. Shout out to my boy Fred. If you can't probably tell already, his @ is @creasedupkicks. Anyway, really nice of this guy to send his merch over. You can find it on his website. Actually, let me just go suss it out for you guys. Anyway, you can see his merch is already just up on there @creasedupkicks, and he's got basically everything you need. Honestly, there's his merch there being printed. And he's got all his sneakers, so go suss it out if you haven't already. Really legit guy. You probably just don't. You're really legit guy. Just don't even doubt. Anyway, alright, here's something that I probably one of the best gifts I've received this year. The homie at Hype Center 2K, the homie Ned sent this to me. Yeah. I wouldn't send this to me either, man. These are the off-white low vulcanized sneakers. Now these are basically like a Vans, but for those high-end people. These yeah, they basically have the build quality of a pair of Vans, and I think a resale on these is about, I don't know how much, probably retail is like 400, resale's probably, I've seen resale at 600, and the homie Ned, for some strange reason, he decided to send these to me, and I just can't really thank him enough. So just a big shout out to Ned from Hype Center 2K. Please get him to 2,000 followers as soon as possible. He's just a really nice guy. He's really grateful, really humble, and he decided to, I don't know, I don't want to say give back, because I don't know what I've given to him. But this was just an insane gift. I've worn these already, and these are pretty nice. They were out of my comfort zone because these are really loud, as they're red, and they still have the off-white tag on them, because unfortunately you can't really take them out because they are tied through the actual lace loops, actually like through the lace holes. So these are just a really well-built sneaker as well. I really love the fabric on the off-white arrow logo, and just these really cool details just make it work. Here's my nitpick. Obviously, I'm not nitpicking the shoe, but the thing that all high-end designer shoes lack is a good outsole. I don't know what. Yeah, to be honest, they can't really do much with the outsoles, but if they could try and work on the outsoles more, that would be really cool. Try and make it more intricate instead of it just being this little sole here. And just overall, the build quality on the shoe is excellent. Me personally, I would not spend over $700 just on a pair of Vans, because that is essentially the vibe that it's going for, but more of a beefed up, hyped, and more expensive pair of Vans. I'm really grateful to have these in the collection, so if you guys don't follow Ned already, please follow him. I'm gonna have huge links down below, and you better just follow him. Actually, if you follow him, send me a DM or send me a screenshot of you following him, and I'll shout you out. So there you go. And also my boy Creased Up Kicks, honestly, when these came in the mail, I was just really hyped about that. Sorry, this video is very postponed. You already know I was studying for the exams. Honestly, you guys have been killing it in the game recently, man. You guys have been making websites, making merch, making new collections, really investing in yourselves, in your brand, in your Instagram accounts, and you guys have just been so generous to me and supporting me through my journey through the sneaker culture. And I just really want to give a big shout out to all of you and all of the resellers that have helped me and supported me from day one. I'm really grateful for all of that, and I really appreciate the hustle, because I sort of relate to you guys, obviously being a hypebeast sneakerhead reseller, and it's just I know the grind of reselling. I know how gratifying the whole experience can be, because meeting these people, linking up with these people, and like sort of like building a connection, like not just through the business but through your interest in sneakers as well. So I just want to really give a big shout out to all of the sneakerhead resellers out there that I've met throughout this huge journey. Jono, who was two-handed kicks, 3-point kicks, aka Davey, and just all of the sneakerhead resellers that I've had the fortune to come across and say what's up to. I was really grateful to have a group of friends. Like, I consider these group like my group of friends because they sort of understood my love and my drive for sneakers, and they didn't really question my drive for sneakers, because usually friends, they just say, oh yo, like, you know, why do you need so many shoes? Like, you know, you always get those questions. But with the sneaker culture, man, you don't get those questions, bro. There's like kids, there's like 12-year-old kids with like 3 times the amount of shoes I have, man. So that's what's up. So this video goes through this video goes to all of you sneakerheads out there, all of you sneaker resellers that have been supporting me, and I thank all of you. And alright, so this sneaker released, when are these released? They say 2017. Yeah, I think 2017, but I think some models of the off-white low came out 2013, I think. This zip tie is dated 4 years before the actual shoe, so I have no idea what that means. Anyway, I just really love the skate vibes of the sneaker. It's just really, it looks pretty cool. There you go, thumbnail. It does look pretty cool, and yeah, I just love the accents, because they made a classic sort of cheap budget sneaker. They made it, they gave it the high-end fashion treatment, adding suede, nubuck. They added thick canvas as well, and yeah, they added more off-white deconstructed elements that Off-White are really known for possessing. So I really like this sneaker. It does come in at a hefty retail price of I think $400, but it does make it one of the cheapest Off-White shoes to date. I almost said Off-White Nike, which I wish would have caught else. And I do really like these subtle hints of branding here, the off, and I love how loud these are, because the whole shoe is essentially loud. There's more off branding here, and it just fades into a nice clean black outsole. So this shoe, I give it an 8 out of 10. Give it an 8 out of 10. I like it. But here's one con with this shoe. It's not really that comfy the first time you put it on. I think around here, around this part, like around the toe of the shoe, it just digs in to my toes. So obviously it's my size, but there's like this bit of fabric, it just digs into my shoe. I've had that a lot with different sneakers, but I'm sure it'll be alright as time goes on. So yeah guys, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Shout out to all of my sneakerhead reselling friends. As I mentioned, I'll try and link as much of you guys down below. Anybody that's watching this video, just go check them out and go show some support to all of your local reselling, to all of the local reselling people out there. And what I love about these resellers is that they're really honest, and they really just they give out steals for you, for all of us. They provide steals for everybody, and I just love that, because sometimes I don't really want to spend $800 on a pair of shoes. I probably want to pay like $400 used. So that's what's up, man. Like, they sell normal regular sneakers as well. So if you just want some casual beaters, they sell some beaters for like $60 maybe. So that's really good of them. If you just want to build your collection, you can buy like really nice sneakers for under $50 from them. So go check them all out, links down below, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you again to all of you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Peace.